Good day, I'm here with who is part of the Varsity Cup football team last year and is also part of the UWC football squad here to witness other players trialing for a spot in the club. Player, good day. How hard was it for you to trial for the UWC football team?
It was an experience because you meet a lot of people, like different people that you have no idea how good they are. All of you guys are competing for a sport.
Yeah.
You have to just do your best, and of course, to do your best.
Yes. And obviously, this player. So with you and other players that are here that play for the school team, what role do you play for those that are trialing?
We're here to show them that it's possible to give them the resources.
Yes.
And so maybe they can take inspiration or motivation. See familiar faces.
Because obviously they have watched some of the players in the Varsity Cup football. Player, thank you so much for your time.